Okay, so I actually had someone ask me what braising was. So I thought I'd just do a really quick video. I am working on a pot roast, and braising is just browning the outside of the meat before you either put it in a crock pot and or maybe you're going to put, say, you're going to put ribs in the oven. Sometimes I braise on the grill and then put it in an oven bag. And sometimes, like with the pot roast, if you notice the blood on the pot roast, I braised each side of the pot roast. This is oil in the pan, pepper and salt. And braising is just cooking of both sides of the meat. And all I've done is cook the outside of this side, and I flipped it over and did the other side. So braising is just browning. Now, you could do a broil oven if it's just a steak that, say, you're wanting to have mostly rare. You could just use the oven and do that. But in this case, I'm going to do a pot roast. I'll do a video on the pot roast that I'm doing, but braising is just browning in the outside of the meat. This meat, if I was to cut it right now, is technically still totally raw in the middle. So that's what braising is. And all I do is I do it on the stove, and I'll give you a little hint. So I heat up the oil, I put the roast on, I cover it. But before you flip your roast over, what I did was shut the stove back off, let that stop popping and boiling and bubbling. And then I flipped it and turned the stove back on, got the heat going back up, covering it. And you still will get splatter all over the stove, but it is what it is. So braising is just browning of the meat. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys soon. Getting ready to do another video and actually make physically a pot roast for you. So this is a chuck pot roast. So that's it, guys. Hope this helps. Bye.